So like I'm saying, just agree to sleep with me and I will give you the money.
Huh?
Is it not just 300,000 naira? I will give you the money.
You don't even understand. It's not about the... Oh, please don't do this now. Eh? I just told you my daughter is lying helpless in the hospital. You're telling me to go to hotel to sleep with you? Eh? Why are you doing this thing now? There's no amount of romance that will make my dick stand with my daughter lying helpless in the hospital. Please help me, please. I'm not asking you to dash me. Just borrow me. I will pay you back.
This whole thing is all about give and take. Okay? Just agree with what I told you. And you will get the money. I will even double it for you.
Nah, you're surprised. Are you not an elder in church? Are you not an usher in church? That you're telling a helpless man to sleep with you before you... Where's your conscience? Are we not members in church?
If you take it easy, go and get the money now. No, go and get the money. I'm a widow and I need a touch of a man. If you can't give me what I want, you get the hell out.
Please don't do this thing. Don't do this thing. My God, you're so unbelievable. You're doing this thing to me. It's me, oh. It's all been now. Remember when I used to supply you goods in China? When I send you goods on credit? Even if I check whether you're still owing me and you're telling me that I will sleep with you before you help my sick daughter.
See, Obinna, no amount of tears will make me change my mind. If you can't do what I ask you to do, suit yourself.
Oh my God, why are you doing this now? Please, please, please.
Relax now. Relax. Did I not say I will give you the money?
Engineer, I cannot relax now. My husband is waiting for me. Besides, he didn't even know when I left.
No. Don't tell me about your husband again. Did I not say that I will give you 500,000 naira? Huh? So you want me to just give you the money completely like that without enjoying myself? No, who does that? Huh?
Hey.
Who does that? Please, don't make me to change my mind.
Hey, Mr. Vasi. We've done 3 rounds already. My legs are shaking, my legs are hurting. Please now, I've tried. You know I've tried.
Yes. I really need to enjoy myself.
Hey.
All this your complaint. Huh? You are delaying yourself. Who would have done it? Come on, let's do what we want to do.
Please now, have mercy on me, please.
You are the one delaying, no. 500,000 naira. You are the one delaying it.
Hospital.
500,000 naira. You are the one delaying it.
Please now, let me take the clothes off. What are we to do again now? I'm giving you all these ties. I've done everything you asked me to do. Please now, let me rush to the hospital.
Just, let's do this. That's all.
Okay. What kind of problem is this? Hey. Wait, now let me remove this clothes. Easy.
Don't tell me that. Let me enjoy myself.
But my legs cannot even move again.
Don't worry. Don't. Come on. That's a check. A check of 500,000 naira.
Engineer.
Yes.
Why check? You were supposed to give me the cash now.
Are you not the one that said they stole the cash I gave you the other time? Huh? So I don't want you to come back begging. Okay? That is why I am giving you this check. So go and save the life of your daughter. Okay? Go and save the life of your daughter first.
Gina, so I should go and...
Just go to the bank. First thing tomorrow morning, my signature, everything that the bank need is on the check. Just go.
Is it real check?
I said go to the bank. Will I be lying to you? Go to the bank, okay?
Okay.
Yes, go and save the life of your daughter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you are welcome. So, you can go. Are you living like that? No kiss, no hug?
Really, don't go.
Where did you go to?
I was outside. I've been around the hospital.
Being around the hospital, doing what?
I was just overwhelmed, so I thought about giving myself some space to go pray to God so that He can help us with our situation.
That's very thoughtful of you. At least, what's that strong cologne I'm perceiving? I'm perceiving one strong cologne.
You know, as I was outside communing with God, I met with the pediatric doctor. He was encouraging me to be steadfast in prayer. So I guess his perfume kind of stick to my clothes. Maybe that's what you're perceiving.
It's okay. I was looking for you to tell you that Amara sent me 100,000.
Amara?
Yeah. Jude's younger sister.
Oh, wow, she did?
Yeah, she did. Yeah. You know, wonders shall never end. I went to Madame Julie to assist me. I pleaded with her to borrow me 1 million. She said she doesn't have. So I pleaded with her, even 500,000 is fine. But I need to save my daughter's life. Lo and behold, Madame Julie told me to my face that the only way she will agree to give me the money is if I sleep with her. I was shocked. I said, what? He said, yes, that I must sleep with her before she will release that kind of amount of money. And I told her I cannot do it. Because I have faith that our daughter will be fine. Our daughter will be fine. I can't go to be a cheat all because of this situation that God is already handling. Today my spirit is high. I believe that all these things, all of it will pass one day. Come. You look tense. Is everything all right?
I'm fine. I'm just tired of the whole situation. And baby, put that.
I want you to rest. I will take you off from here. Okay?
No, babe, let's do this together.
We are doing it together, but I still need you to rest. Oh, you can't be doing this now. Please, I'm not okay.
So that the job will be fast.
I will be fast. It's just for a meantime. Let me carry for some time. Oh, let's sit here and rest. Oh. how was school today?
Fine. Hey, Dad. My teacher said that if I don't pay my school fees tomorrow, that I should better not come to school, that I should stay at home.
Your teacher said that to you?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I'll sort your school fees. I'll sort it, okay?
Okay, Daddy. Dad, will you buy me new sandals tomorrow?
Yes. Daddy will get you sandals. If not tomorrow, but this week, I promise.
Okay, Daddy.
Don't worry, Daddy will get you sandals, okay?
Okay.
Babe, you know we don't have money for her school fees or even for the sandals. I would suggest she stays at home. Then we'll find a way to save up money to pay for the landlord this week. You know we're supposed to pay the landlord this weekend. I don't want him coming here to throw us out. Let her just stay at home. School is not running.
I know, but my daughter cannot stay at home without going to school. Something must have to be done.
Babe, we are talking about shelter here. Babe, shelter first before school. Are we going to sleep on the road while she goes to school?
Go to school.
This man will come here and embarrass us. I wouldn't want that. Let's just settle the rent first, please.
Why is life so unfair to some people? Why is this thing happening to us?
Babe, please, it's okay. Don't ruin this night, please. Please don't ruin this night. Everything will be fine. It's okay.
Look, I have to pay my daughter's school fees. I have to do something and pay her school fees. She must go to school while we hustle on how to raise money for the rent.
It's okay if you feel better. That will make you feel relieved. It's okay. Whatever thing you say, I was just suggesting.
No, she has to go to school. She has to go to school. God will do something.
Amen.
I was looking for you before.
Okay.
Yeah, the work is going.
Yes.
Before you know now, we'll finish everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know. We are like one family. The thing is, I have a family problem right now. That's why you see me and my wife. Because normally my wife is not supposed to be carrying these heavy things. But what can we do? So my daughter.
Just go straight to the point.
Okay. So I'd want you to borrow me some money.
Like how much?
Okay, the thing, my daughter is not going to school.
Like how much?
Okay, 300,000.
300,000 naira.
Yes, 300,000 naira.
How do you intend to pay the money back? Because this money you are asking me is much.
Engineer, obviously I will pay back. Me and you were in this site together. We've not even gone far. And if I walk, you definitely collect the money.
What was that you said?
I said if I walk, that I'm still walking here with you. So instead, if I walk, don't pay me the money.
You know what?
Until the money finishes.
I will give you the money. But this your wife. She said to you are just killing her with poverty. She is meant for, you understand me? Just give her to me. Just for 1 week.
Hey, baby!
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Obi, stop now!
Are you mad? Are you mad? Say that thing again.
What happened now?
No, say that.
Baby, calm down. Baby, calm down. Baby, please calm down. Okay, what is your problem? Baby, please now. What is wrong with you? Okay, keep quiet. What did you say to my husband?
Security! Say that thing. Security!
Baby, please don't kill someone.
Security! Look at this. This idiot I took like a family. You want my wife?
Okay, why would you say that now? So what is the worry
You want my wife?
Security! Take them out of here!
Okay, you keep quiet.
Take the boat.
Pay me for the one I want first. Go out first. Tell this man to pay me for the one we've done first. Before I leave here. Leave here. Pay me! Okay, come on, pay me my money also.
You're still talking.
Come, just go out. Pay me my money. I say leave here first.
Young man, you want money?
Yes, wise one. That is why I'm here. I've heard a lot of the things you did for people. That is why I'm here, because I'm not getting myself.
Who brought you?
He's a friend that you also helped. He used to be more wretched than I am, but now he's rich.
Does he have a wife?
No, not anymore. He used to. The wife died some years ago.
Yes, he used his wife for rituals. In fact, all my followers, none of them has a wife. Neither can they meet with any woman. So for you, you need to bring your wife's head and her breast for rituals.
My wife's breast and her head for ritual. How can you be saying that now? I can't use my wife's head, sir. People should be thinking now. Just open your mouth and talk. Don't you think before you say something? Please, help me. Whatever it takes out. But if it's taking my wife's life, that is impossible, sir. Please. I'm sorry if I sounded rude, but the thing you just said, I can't even.
Young man, hold on. That is all you need to do, and I hope that will do you well. If you want to go, you can leave.
That means there is no way you can help me except killing my wife. I came to the wrong place. This is a mob.
Hold on, young man. This woman you don't want to sacrifice will betray you. And she will make you eat from rejected places. Be wise.
It's obvious you don't know my wife. Yes, it's obvious you do not know the woman I married. My flesh of flesh, my blood of blood. You don't know her too well. You see, we can never in this life do such a thing. See, it's too early. If you want me to sit back for us to organize, do what you have to do without sacrificing my wife, we'll do it. We'll do it. Me, I'll bring more people for you. If you make me now, I'll bring you. Will not be tired of customers. Should I sit down without sacrificing my wife?
Young man, you can go if you want to go. Go! Young man, you are joking. A child who refuses to listen to advice will end up becoming a pain for others to learn. Izu. Izu, Ozo. Izu, Ozo. Izu, Ozo.
Baby, you're worried again. I'm here for you. Okay? Everything will be fine. Together, we will conquer this whole temptation, this situation, and we will bounce back again. I promise you that I will be here by your side forever. It is for better, for worse, baby. Please, I will be here with you through thick and thin. I'm never leaving you. We will fight this fight together and we will conquer. Please, take it easy. Okay?
Honestly, you have learned your lesson. You have learned your lesson in a very hard way. Look at you. You are back to this village. A man that was doing well. We warned him not to get married into that family. But he said no. That if he does not get married to Akudo, that he's going to die.
Ofo? What kind of talk is that now?
What do you mean by what kind of talk is that? I am telling our friend here the very hard truth that he should know. If I do not tell him, who is going to tell him?
Why telling him that his wife was cursed by their late father?
Why telling him? What is my crime? No, tell me what is my crime to tell my friend that the wife he got married to, the father laid curse on her. Tell me what crime? You're trying to paint me the bad person. Bro, your wife is the architect of your problem.
But Nnamdi, you did not try, yo. You did not. Take a good look at yourself now. You that used to do well when you were single. All of a sudden, just 1 year in marriage, you lost everything. Imagine, you that used to come home and buy us drinks and meat.
It's obvious we are the one buying for him now. Life. A man that if he enters this village, he's shut down. Total shut down. Now the village has shut you down. What am I saying is the village? Akudo has shut you down. In fact, you are done. You're not. I don't even think you will come out of it. I told you before now.
Well, the fact still remains that my wife is not the cause of my problem. I made a few mistakes, doing business. But I will bounce back on my feet. Yes, it's only a matter of time.
Look at you are giving yourself hope. With the look of things, you are not bouncing anywhere. You are here. You are not bouncing. The father's curse, the one he laid, is holding you down. You are not going anywhere.
Bouncer.
Have you ever asked yourself? Okay. Have you ever asked yourself? Well, how about this is your co-in-law? What's his name again?
Obinna.
Obinna. Have you ever asked yourself how is he faring now? I'm asking you, how is it? Have you asked yourself how is he faring now?
I think they are working in a building site. Him and his wife. I saw them sometime 3 months ago. Yes.
Building site?
Yes.
Building site.
Look, let me tell you, you should be giving thanksgiving. You should be giving thanksgiving that you are like this. Let me tell you, you and Obinna, the difference is that I don't know if their father, because their late father laid on Udunwa is greater. That is why your case is merciful. Drink before you say we brought you out, and then started rendering frustration on you. Please drink this drink. We're not advising you anything. No, we will not, because it is to all fall into deaf ear.
We want him, but he didn't listen.
The drink is not cold now.
Hey, you drink it like that now.
He said it's not cold.
How can I try to drink?
Okay, it's alright. Nnamdi, Nnamdi, how many times did I call you? I know you will not listen to me. You know you are an orphan. You know that your uncles hated you so much. That's why they allowed you got married to Akudo. I know that they want you to perish. But me, as your good friend, I don't want anything to happen to you. Okay? I don't want anything to happen to you. Okay, you know what? Let's not prolong this discussion. I have a suggestion.
What is your suggestion?
I want you to divorce your wife and get married to another woman.
Ofo? Ofo?
Yes?
Have you gone mad? Are you stupid? You want me to divorce my wife? That woman is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Very faithful and loyal. That woman is very prayerful. You want me to divorce a good woman like that?
Nnamdi, you will not understand these things. Honestly, you will not understand it. This is reality. Marriage is something that you face till eternity. Are you listening to me? Your wife and her sister was caused by her father. And with the look of things, rumor had it that they delivered them. But with the look of things, they are not delivered. Those people are ready to infect any man that come into their life. And that is exactly what is happening to you. Okay, tell me. How will you explain the fact that a man who once owned a bakery is now begging for bread? No, tell me. You are suffering up and down. You are suffering, and your suffering is now affecting me as your own friend. Those people were not delivered properly. You need to think a way out of this before it is too late.
Hey, Ofo. I am not interested in your cock and bull stories. Yes, I agree I invested wrongly, but that was a mistake in the past. I will get back on my feet. But you see that woman, my wife, nothing on earth will make me leave her. I love her so much.
I am trying to make you...
Don't try anything, guy!
I should not try anything.
Don't make me the vex, so I did tell you. I don't vex.
Nnamdi! It's alright. You don't want me to say anything, no problem. No problem. What do I know? I'm not married. But don't come running to me when there is trouble in your house. Nnamdi, wait for me now. What is all this? Wait for me.
Baby, your food is ready. Should I serve you now? My love.
I'm fine.
You are not fine. You have not eaten anything since morning. And this is almost 4 p.m. Please, baby, try and eat something.
Babe, I said I'm fine.
Baby, you can't be fine. You cannot be fine. Look, babe. You see this face? This face shall pass away. And you will definitely bounce back. You will. I am sure everything will be fine. Let's just wait on God. Okay? Please try and eat something. You cannot be starving yourself for nothing. Please.
I don't deserve to eat. I don't deserve to eat. Look at our lives. Look at where we've ended after marriage. All my friends have deserted me. I've lost everything. Back to zero. I don't even deserve to be alive.
No, don't say that, please. I beg of you. Babe. Babe, please, don't do this to yourself. Babe. My God. My God, what is happening to us? come and help me and my husband. Come and save us from this. Please. What is going on? What is happening to my marriage? God, please, I beg you, come and save us. I beg you. Babe.
At least this should teach you a lesson. Get your miserable things and get out of my house. Please.
I will pay. Just pay James.
Sir, we will pay, please. If our child comes back, where will you take it?
If your child comes back, you didn't think of that before you started owing. Get your things and get out of my compound. Really?
Yes, sir. We'll make sure he pays. My husband will pay.
Really?
Give me next week.
Oh, hey. Next week.
Yes,
your week that never comes.
No, this one.
Your week that never comes. The same thing you'll be saying.
Sir, this one will come.
Look at the beautiful woman you married. You brought her here to suffer. Please. I've had enough.
Please, sir.
Get out of my compound.
Please, sir.
You think I'm joking? I'm giving you nothing. I've had enough. Get out. It's alright. Maybe you think I'm joking. Yeah, I should call the cops to come.
Sir, please, there does not gotten like that now. Sir, please. Sir, please, you're a good man.
Get your hands off me.
Sir, you have a
Get your hands off me. You are harassing me in my own house.
No, sir, I'm not harassing.
It's alright. Don't worry. Let me get boys that will throw you
out.
out.
Please, now. Sir, please.
Wait, don't go. Stay.
Sir, please, now.
Sir.
Hey, you see what you've caused? You see your life? I warned you. House rent is better. Shelter is better than school fees. You refuse. Now, where will your child sleep? On the street, right? Come now, let her come back here and sleep on the street. You see yourself? Where are you going to now? Where are you going to?
Just look after one.
You know you should hear what now, see. Hey, God. What kind of embarrassment is this? Oh, God. Where do we even go from here? Hey, Jesus.
I can't help you, I'm sorry.
Mommy, be my guy now. You're my guy. I'm not asking to come and live with you. It's just one night. Me and my family. Let's just rest our head there. Tomorrow we'll figure out the next step, please.
Guy, I have just one room. I can't. My wife will not even listen to me. will not allow you and your family. Please, try to understand.
Hi, Chineke, what did I put myself into? What's this? Ah, God, this is too much. My brother, even if it's so know how you can help me, even if it's at the corridor, but just in a safe place, Bikono, please.
My guy, look, just tell the engineer the issue at this moment. Maybe you have allowed you and your family to have more space. Yeah.
In this uncompleted building.
Oh, guy, you get choice. It's not a place like that you rest your head. It's like you have another alternative.
Chineke, no, look at an uncompleted building.
I mean, what are you even saying? What do you mean? Eh? Look, a lot of my friends warned me about you, but I refused to listen because I was blinded by my love for you. I mean, look at what is happening. Look at my life. Look at how miserable I am.
Are you trying to say that I am the cause of what is happening to you? Oga, you invested wrongly, oh.
I warned you about this business, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Well, I have done so many investments. It wasn't this bad. I mean, look at me, look at my life. It's visible to even the blind.
So, I am the cause. Is that what you're trying to say? Oga, I am not a problem to our marriage.
Oh, please spare me that crap.
I am not.
Look at your crocodile tears.
Baby, you're shouting at me. Shouting at me, but oh my God. God, why me?
Okudo, I am very sorry for everything I said. I was just carried away by the frustration and misery I've been feeling with everything going on. I'm sorry.
You don't have to blame me for everything. You don't have to. I know you think marrying me brought all of this on us, but that's not true. That's not true. I warned you about this business. I warned you about it. But you wouldn't listen to me. You refused to listen to me. Now you're putting all of this on me.
It's okay. Let's just forget about it, okay? Please. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I've just been so frustrated. I've been miserable, and sometimes I see things out of emotions.
I love you. I love you so much, my husband. I love you. I love you, my husband. But you don't have to be harsh with your words. Your words are hurting.
I'm so sorry.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
What is where am I coming from?
I'm your husband. You have right to explain to me. Where are you coming from?
You are my husband, and what about it? Please let me pass.
Will you stop? Where? You want to enter my house without answering my question? Where are you coming from?
Oh, let me pass now.
You will not pass. You answer my question. Wait, will you?
Are you okay?
Who got there slap me?
If you touch me, I will slap a lot of eyes.
You slap me?
Are you okay? Yes.
You want Yara? You are beating your father. Yes. You are beating our mother. How would I want to touch her again? Are you mad? Are you insane? How dare you? Woman beater. Oh God, I'm a piano. I just this is wrong. Hey, just aside there. I don't want to commit murder. It's not you tire this nonsense next time. Yeah, you don't have hand to make. You cannot make money, but you have the hand to beat a woman. Come and touch me again. See fine woman like this, you want to stand in her skin. You still don't have fine face for her. Ojunwa, both of you are beating your father. Why are you calling my name like that? It will happen to both of you. Touch my mother again. Next time you try it, I will give you a back out. If it's good for you, it's also good for me. Back to center. Lay your 50 heads on her again. You see what I will do. Useless man. Useless father. With my money. I attend the university with my money. You're beating me. Hey! I want to.
Ajala, be the judge. Be the judge. Only ask my wife, where did she go to? They are beating me. They are the back. Oh, God. My brothers, I call these people here to come and see what is happening in my family. Come and see how they are treating me like an outcast. This woman you're seeing here has been cheating on me. I called her. I begged her. Stop this thing you're doing. You have 2 daughters. Whatever you're doing, they will learn from you. She refused to listen to me. All the women meeting, all the club, this woman belongs to them. For what reason, I don't know. I begged her. I keep hearing this going out with men. Stop it. I thought she had stopped. Just this morning, I went to Ukonji Junction to pick 1 or 2 things. I saw a man drop her with a car. I was calling her, Ugodia, where are you coming from? She pretended as if she don't know me. Everybody, everybody was laughing at me. Look as if I'm a fool. I don't know where she went to later. I came to the house to wait for her to explain to me where she's coming from. Who is that man? When she got her answer, I said, where are you coming from? Who is that man that dropped you? Before I knew it, she slapped me. I'm telling you the truth. Say what? Slap your husband. I have endured. I have respected her. I could not longer take it. I slapped her. Bam. That was when 2 of them. Ujungwana could attack me, fall me on the ground, sat on me, beating me like a thief in my house. Their mother was encouraging them, say, kill him. He's a foolish man. That is exactly what happened to me today. That's why I called you my brothers.
Ujungwana Kudo, do you hear your father? Why do you beat your father? Shut up.
Don't even put your mouth. And don't talk to my precious daughters like that.
Osnogan.
You see this man here? He's a liar. A blatant liar. Oh, Okonkwo, you called your kinsmen to judge me. You called them for me. Never see something.
Wait, Ugodia. How many times have I seen you with a man who is not your husband? Ubolone?
Oga, close your mouth there. Shut up.
Ubolone kanjiganya, well, forget. How many times? And for you girls, you support your mother. To beat up your father. You connect with your mother to beat up your father.
Were you there? Were you there? One-side judgment. Were you there?
Why did my father raise his hand on my mother? Why?
My kinsman, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know whether you're waiting until this woman send me to my early grave before you send this harlot back to her father's house.
Hey. You called my mother a harlot. You opened your mouth.
Come on, let you out. Come on, let you out.
Hey.
Who are you?
Listen.
You people want to kill this man in his house?
No problem. When you heard him call my mother a harlot.
You people want to kill him in his house?
Ugodia, are you not a harlot?
Your wife is a harlot. Your mother and including your grandmother, they are harlots.
You can't stop calling my mother a harlot.
Are you not a harlot? Answer me.
Stop calling my mother a harlot.
All those men I see you with. Ujunwa, Akudo, both of you, I trained you from primary school till university level. And this is how you pay me back. Beating me like a thief. No problem.
Before, who will train them for you?
Ask him.
Who will train them for you? Ordinary primary to university.
You are making noise.
You are probably making noise. What of those people that train their own to masters?
Hey,
abroad,
UK,
abroad,
America.
Just a university here. Okrikiri here. You are making noise. Please let me hear something. Don't even provoke me.
Look at me from head to toe, fooling at the backyard.
You children, unless I'm not your father, all the suffer I suffered, drove night bus from Onitsha to Lagos, suffering for all of you, and you beat me. You lay your hands on me. It shall never be well for both of you. Any man that married both of you will lose everything. You will never know a happy home. As I have said it, so shall it be. Let Ajala be the judge.
God forbid
the lie.
I say I reject it. Back to sender. God forbid. Back to sender.
I am the one that carried them in my stomach for complete 9 months. They will not suffer. It shall be well with their soul.
Yes,
It shall be well with their husband.
Amen.
They shall have peace of home.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to them.
Nothing will happen
As
to
I
us.
declare, so shall it be.
He said.
And if their husband mistakenly maltreat them, they will beat him mercilessly.
Shake it now.
They will beat him. Duga.
Ugodia. Banu na pack up.
Eso.
Banu na japak up.
What's ni aso again?
Inuri ho na agwa gi.
Asa now.
No, come.
Asa now.
Machere. Come. Be ka nyegi doggy. Nyaga, go with you.
Na the aroma
Odo go to bar.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Nemo.
Ha. Mama di mama. Ogene de. Ichale one. Oh, kuro kalisi. Mama di mama. Who dey breathe? Hey. Mama. Mama do 360. Do 360.
Let go.
Ogene de. Let go wine.
Oh.
360. Ogene. Let go wine. Ogene de. Hey. All the go to war. Whiskey.
Hey! Mama di mama.
What
is
you look
the
very
occasion
hot.
now?
Agadi Ekwenka, sweet 16. I made the bad.
That is.
Lebinaga.
Today is our golden women meeting. Yeah. I'm going for the meeting.
Mama, show them what you've got.
Okay.
You gotta show them what you've got, baby.
You gotta
go.
Carry go.
Oh, Malicha wine. Mama, bring it for me.
I will now.
Jewish.
Code one.
Jewish.
Code one.
Mortuary standard.
You wanna go? See you guys.
Neje. Mama di mama. You go the whiskey. Sweet 16. Step. Mama di sha.
Look wine.
Mom. Mama, you go the whiskey. You go the bar. Hey. Nah. I lose something.
Yeah? That's it, that riffraff asking me out. Hey, with his tear trouser, trekking on the road.
As in, starting when?
I gave him the insult of his life.
Bam.
Hey, can you imagine? A whole me.
Hey, you would have called me now.
Hey,
let me give him the insult of his life. Yeah, and I enjoy a vam
like this.
It's
not his fault.
Akudo.
This man, which kind of nonsense.
Akudo.
Ogini.
Akudo, where is your mother?
Akuda. Ogini. What is it?
Your mother that left this house since morning, that she was going for one golden whatever meeting. Up till now, she's not back.
Call her with your phone now. Somebody cannot drink water and keep cup in peace. Ogini, did you see her hanging on my head? Did you see her on my head? What is your mother? Am I tying her on my waist? Akudo, where's my mother? Ogana.
So that's the way you talk to your father. Now you told her now. You got a big girl. Ujunwa.
Ogini, what is it now, this man?
Ujunwa, where's your mother?
Hey! How am I supposed to know? Is she not your wife? Call her now. What is your problem? Why do you see? Why are you an enemy of progress? Are you an EP?
I don't even
Why
know.
are you always disrupting peace? Why?
Ujunwa, call your mother. I have been calling her since her number is switched off.
Oh, her number is switched off. So why are you not asking me?
So
now?
how do you think that she can reach her?
I don't understand. This man, leave me alone. See this hot afternoon. Leave me alone.
Yeah, so both of you now have grown up. You are now big girls of where? These are the two children that I carried in my hand when you were born. You were not more than a loaf of bread.
Before you will not carry us. I don't understand.
Here.
Now you are forming big girl for me where?
Oh, okay, go and call your wife, I beg, and leave us alone. My sister, I was so angry.
That guy will
I wanted to embarrass him.
I'm asking you something important.
But what is it? Did I marry your wife? Look at her. Come and take her here. Did I marry her for you?
Now let's leave this man here. It seems this man wants trouble this afternoon.
You're very right.
I don't want to start. Before they say I could have started again.
Jump and pass.
Okay,
you go and call the whole villagers for us.
That was attack him.
Happy go to work.
No, but here. I could be a video also. Never me, please stop my head.
Are you the only young girls in the youth community? Ask him, just chop his face. When you just chop the chair, eat everything. Nonsense. Someone will not rest for you this time.
Hey! Gods of our land. Where did I go wrong? What have my marriage turned into? I did my best. Made all the sacrifice, all the effort to raise a good family. This is what I get. This is my reward for being a faithful family man. Is it that she had been like this while I was driving bus all this time? Or this is just a new character? I was warned. My family warned me not to marry from that family. That they are not faithful. I didn't listen. I was looking at her beauty. Look at me. A married woman left her house since morning up till now. Yeah,
So fine. You have nice nails. Thank you.
Your mother. She was caught with a married man and the woman pour acid on her face.
Acid? Yes, come on.
Wait for me. I think I've been saying it. It has happened. Wait for me. Where? Hey! Oh my God! Acid! Hey! Where? Wait for me.
Oh, I didn't know that he is married. Joy.
I'm in pencil. It's not okay. Oh, it's not okay. I'm in pencil. Hey, how my husband? My husband, forgive me. Chimebukwanumo. Hey, I'm in pencil. How can you say you don't know that Chief Ume is married? How many times did the wife warn you when you follow the husband to hotel to leave his husband alone, but you refuse to listen? Now look at your condition.
Papa, take it easy on her now. Can't you see her condition? Take it easy.
My sweet husband, my darling husband, please forgive me. I have sinned against you. I'm in big pain, so...
Mama, it's okay. We'll sort this out later, okay? Just get well first.
I should forgive you. So where do you think you will carry this ugly face to? So when you come out of here, you think you will come to my house? Or you expect me to come and pay your bills? No, it will never happen. If you know those money you have been collecting from those men, this is time to bring it out. As you involve yourself in this, you will know how to sort out yourself.
Papa, look at the embarrassment you have caused this family. Papa. Just look at.
My children, please forgive me. Papa. My husband, Papa. Are you going out? Are you leaving me here?
How can you end up with a married man? Stop now. Stop this now. This is the license for people should stop this. Let Mama get well first now.
Hi. Chimebuomo. Forgive me, oh. Hey.
Papa, this is not the time.
Amaram niye na tota na egbu.
Mama is gone, Papa. Mama is gone now.
Odogu! Odogu! Hey! Oginibuka, what is this? What is going on here? Odogu! Odogu! Odogu Anamo! Hey! Odogu Anamo, hello! Odogu! Sorry! I'm sorry! Mba. I can't believe this. Mba, come at home. Odogu! Odogu! I can't stand it.
Mama, we are sorry. Papa, we are sorry. Please wake up. Papa, please. I'm begging you, please wake up. Papa, we are sorry. Papa, please wake up. We have changed, Papa. I promise you. Chimo, Papa, we come. Papa.
Uju, I'm sorry. We lost her.
God forbid, doctor. God forbid. How can you say that? It's not our portion. It's not our portion. It's not our mother, please. Please don't say this, I beg.
Take it easy.
Doctor, you're serious.
Mama, no. My mother said, no, Mama, no,
Papa, I used to be your favorite girl. You used to love me so much until things took a different turn. Papa, I'm so sorry. We are so sorry, Papa. Please forgive us. Our mother deceived us. She made us believe that you never cared about us because she didn't give you a male child. So we got so angry. She deceived us. Papa, please. Nambiko. Biko Balo. Have mercy upon us. Have mercy. Have mercy. Forgive my sister and I, please. Have mercy.
Papa, we are sorry.
We're sorry for everything. I am my sister. We are sorry for what we have done to you. We will forever miss you. Papa, I pray that God will accept your soul. Papa,
Come on. Forgive, I am my sister.
Papa, please forgive us, no.
You will not understand. You will not understand.
What is it?
Nothing.
Don't tell me nothing. You don't look good.
I'm just thinking, how did we end up here? Is this how this life is? It's just so unbelievable. Look at us with our child.
It's okay. I'm doing everything possible to take us out of here. Please just be patient with me.
Baby. Are you okay? What's the problem?
Dad, I don't like this place. What happened to our house?
Baby, it's okay. Stop thinking about our house, okay? Listen, with time, we will leave here and get a better place. Alright?
Okay, but here is smelling. And it's not making me to be uncomfortable and scared.
Don't worry, okay? Daddy will take you out of here. I will. Very soon. We'll live here to our mansion, okay?
Okay, Dad. Please, let's leave here as soon as possible.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
God, please come to my rescue. Come to our rescue, please. I'm tired of this whole embarrassment. This place isn't safe for my child. Innocent child that knows nothing. My child could get sick from here. Please. Please, God, please help us. This embarrassment is too much. No windows. No safety. We could get killed here. We could get raped here. We could even get kidnapped here. But please, for the sake of my innocent child, please come to our rescue.
You know, I have my eyes on you. Yes.
Engineer, please help us. Please. Our landlord has thrown us out of the house, and you know I have a little child. Please, I need your help, please.
You see, that serves your husband right. It serves him right. How could he throw a punch on me? How?
I know.
When the both of you knows I can help you. How much do you even need?
Balo, sorry. We are sorry, please. That is why I am here as the wife, to apologize on behalf of my husband and my family as a whole. Please forgive us. Help me, please.
See, I will help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
But based on one condition.
Hey, condition?
Yes. You and I will go to my hotel room.
Hey.
Then I will give you 100,000 naira. Deal? If you are ready.
Engineer, hotel room.
Yes.
Hotel room.
Yes.
You know I'm a married woman.
What about that?
It's an abomination. I cannot defile my marriage.
Then you are not serious.
Please now, Biko, please. Help me, please, engineer.
I said you are not serious. See, let me tell you. If you are ready, let me know. But right now, I have some other things to do. Jasper!
Wait now. Wait.
Are you ready?
Yeah, please now, help me. Please.
Let's go to my hotel room. 100,000 naira. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I'll join you.
Come now, let's go.
We're going now.
Let's go. Beautiful woman.
Because of money, temptation, every day is so. I can't get more because of money.
Take this money. It's 150,000 naira. I know it will go a long way for you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, one more thing. Please, no one must hear about this. Let it be our little secret. I still love my marriage. I love my husband. Please.
Well, sure. You see, from my own side, I don't have problem. But I don't know about you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sir, do you have something I can cover?
Not at all. Just manage yourself. Please. Wow. Wow. So I finally had her. Hi. Is this not the same Ujunwa? The one the husband vowed she can never cheat on him? Now, wow. Hey, some men. Eh? Some men. Well, what you want consign me? I beg. Wow. Ha!
Every day so good. My left and right here because of money. Temptation, every day so good. I can't get more because of money. I know comes to boring. I know for me to be a sinner to survive. Give me
Okay, come on. If you shout.
For me to be a sinner to survive.
Hey! Tifo! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Tifo! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Papa! Papa, why? Why? I thought we asked for your forgiveness. We asked for your forgiveness. We said we were sorry. Papa, please don't turn your back on us for the sake of your grandchild. She knows nothing about all this. I know that I am suffering because of what we did to you and the curse you placed on us. Please. Papa, please have mercy for the sake of your grandchild. She knows nothing. Please.
Chioma.
Namdi.
Welcome. How did you find my village? Sorry, you can sit down.
Thank you. Namdi, I heard what happened to your business, and I'm sorry about that.
Thank you. But how did you find my village?
Oh, yeah, I still have your profile in the company's roster. So I came here with that information. Although I asked some questions, I remember my village is not far from here.
Oh, yes. I remember your village is just very close by. Yeah, well, I appreciate you. I just don't want my wife to misinterpret your visit.
Okay. Why are you...
It's nothing. I mean...
Okay.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Well, I have something for you. I need to give you my card so you can call me. Yes, I have a business for you. I want to help you bounce back. Namdi, you're a good person. Call me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I need to start going.
Okay.
Please take care of yourself.
Actually, I used my husband's phone to text you. Young lady, I know what you want. I want to let you know that we are fine. If my husband needed your help, he would have called you. So you see, we are fine.
Madam.
Hey! Allow me to finish. Allow me to finish. I have a peaceful home. My husband loves me so much. And I love him more than words can express. So stay away from my husband. I know you to be his longtime ex-girlfriend. I know what you are looking for. I know your type.
Madam,
Hey, I said allow me to land. Allow me to land. I am not going to take this from you or from anyone. I mean anyone.
I don't mean
Young lady,
any
good day.
harm. I don't mean any harm.
All I want to give your husband is a business proposal, nothing more. One more thing. You see this meeting we just had? You see this meeting we just had? If my husband gets to find out about it, I will make sure you get fired in your office. Do not underestimate a desperate woman who wants to keep her home. Stay off. How did Nnamdi end up with such mad woman? Choma, you need to calm down. You need to calm.
Babe, we need to leave this place. We really need money to leave this place. It's no longer safe for us.
Of course, we are going to leave. But my plan now is for us to raise money. At least with the savings we have, if we add more money to it, I will open a business for you. Just small business that you can be doing while I will still be out hustling. Then, if God helps us more, from the shop, we can then get a place where we can be, keeping our head.
Babe, what are you saying? Safety first now. How can I be going to shop from this house? This place is no longer safe for our child and I.
I know. It's just to raise more. I believe when you have a business, something that you can fall back on, we can.
Which business?
If we use the whole money and rent house now, what now are we going to be doing?
Even if it's just one room is okay.
I know.
See this place now, no door, no window. Someone can just come here now and kidnap us.
Hold on, please. Hello? Yeah, you want to be in the car for who's this? What?
You said my daughter fainted.
Give me the phone. Yes, hello, it's me, I'm the mother. Which hospital? Hey, my daughter. Let's go. I'm coming there right away. They're coming. Hey, my baby. My angel. Doctor. Mommy is here, okay? Mommy is here.
You have to calm down, alright? We did an X-ray on her and we discovered a growth on her lungs, and this has made her not to be breathing very well and also causes her a tremendous weakness of the body.
Growth? On this child's lungs? This small lungs? How? How, doctor?
What's the way forward?
Sir, I don't really know how to explain this, but your daughter needs an urgent surgery. Alright? If nothing is being done, I'm sorry, you lose your daughter in the next 48 hours.
God forbid! I reject it in Jesus' name! Your daughter will not die! Baby, you will not die in Jesus' name. You're covered with the blood of Jesus. You will not die.
It's okay. Sir, please, can you come with me to my office so that we can discuss more? Akudo! Hi! Oh God, she said she has something for me. Akudo! Babe! Babe! Akudo! Akudo!
I'm sorry. Oh, please forgive me. I am sorry. and my sister. We are sorry, Papa. Papa, please forgive us. Papa.
Hey! Akudo. Akudo. What kind of nonsense is this? What is my children turning into?
Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Why will you take my phone? You don't have any right to take my phone. The phone that my boyfriend bought for me. Why will you take it while I was sleeping? Why will you do that? Eh?
I'll still
give my phone.
I will not give you this one.
You not do what?
I will not give you.
You're not making it.
I have still this one. Akudo, you're disgracing me. Akudo, you're disgracing me.
Give my phone, one. Give my phone. Give my phone.
Akudo, you're holding your father.
Give my phone now.
Stop this, Akudo. Look at what you're doing.
Hey, who is this old fool now? Eh? Mind your business, oh.
Okoro,
mind your business.
Stop it.
Okoro,
give my
I
phone.
saw Akudo in her room. Naked snapping her private part, sending to a man. Can you imagine? That's why I seized the phone.
How is this your business? Uncle, I can't get sent there. Is it that I'm going to snap and send to you? Will you do what my boyfriend is doing for me? Eh? How dare you seize my phone? How dare you? Have you bought an iPhone or a Samsung for me before in your life? Have you? Leave my phone. Stop that. Akudo, who is this one now?
Stop that. Akudo, your father. Akudo, your father.
Yes, phone.
Stop that, what is wrong with you?
You want me to leave your face?
What is wrong with you?
You want me to leave my face?
What is wrong with you? Stop it.
Give my phone.
Akudo, you're disgracing me. You are disgracing yourself. I said stop it.
Give me my phone. I will push you. I will push you. I will push you. Hey! Stop it. Stop it. Old man, leave me alone.
I'll give you this one. But it will not be well with you.
Hi.
But I told you not to marry from that family. You refused because of big nyash. You went in there. See what your daughter is doing to you. Eh? Please give her the phone.
Give my phone. Give me my phone.
Give her the phone. Give her that you have peace.
Look at something. Look at screen now. You may go to screen now. What for song? Yeah, I will take this to your house, and buy the phone. Rubbish.
Akudo, something. He has given you the phone now.
If you try this nonsense next time, you will not like my reaction.
Adon, now he has given you the phone. Akudo, he has given you the phone. You can go. Go now.
You're seizing my phone. Look, just look at the phone. Is it your mate? Is the phone your mate? Oh, Wagi!
Shame on you!
You seize my phone.
Shame on you!
Leave it! Akudo, leave it! He is your father now. Why you behaving like this? Akudo, leave your father! Oh, yeah, go now. It's okay. You can go.
Go! Make I run enter you.
Eh? Go!
Mind yourself. Mind yourself. If I will use your red cap now and give it to brother.
Okonkwo. What I trained in my house, completely mad people. Their mothers spoiled them. I wasted all my money, my time, and everything. I lost everything.
It's not a small matter.
How?
And this happened in my presence. Eh? How have you been going through all this? Only you. Inside this house.
You could have suffered.
One day they will kill you. These people will just kill you.
You could have suffered.
But you caused this. Our people said that he who fetched ant-infested firewood called lizard for work.
Okoro, akwa maka tiri ọkụkọ akị.
Ịkpa nkụ arụrụ.
Akwara maka tiri ọkụkọ akị.
So Chineke maka ihe si wepụta. It's only God that knows how you're going to come out of this one.
All my money, all my energy, all my time.
You mean he seized your phone?
Can you imagine? He seized it, oh. Eh? Yes, now.
I hope you broke his leg.
Trust me, sister. I nearly broke his leg.
Nearly? Yes, nearly cannot kill a bird. You could have broken the leg now.
I pitied him because of Mama.
No, you would have broken one leg when I come and finish the remaining leg.
Abi?
Please, though. He is still my husband, though. He is still my husband, though. But if I were around, I would have broken his head.
Now add this waist and join. Everything will just break.
Yes, Yakata.
Let me see the strength who used to come and seize your phone again.
Can you imagine? For that my boyfriend bought for me.
You cannot even afford though.
You cannot even afford it though.
Has he seen the camera phone?
For where?
Only when
yeah, we go ya. Sister, drink juice. Let me put it in your mouth, sister.
Go away, ba. Oh, on our top pieces. Fried rice.
Hey, mama.
This is fried rice
in your mouth. You like it?
I think.
The jollof one, yes. Mama, taste.
This is the eye.
You want
the enter eye.
Mama, if you see the Benz,
hey, chala, clean Benz.
What can I have? Del. Ogologi me 6 feet tall, no. Hey, are you serious? I'm telling you, Mama. Hey, don't be smart, you know. Trust your daughter now. I know they carry her. I know now. I know now. Get it nothing sugar. Oh, white now, pure white. You know, or you company worker. Or you company. I don't know how to tell that. 6 feet tall. Oh, gonna give me hey, Mama, trust me now. Oh, make a
Who added excess salt to my food? Who added excess salt to my food? Ujungwa? Who added excess salt to my food?
Oh, hey, Mama Ifugo, you have seen it now. This man have Rumaka now. Was I the way you were cooking your food? Did I cook the food with you?
Who added this? Who added this salt to my food?
Continue with your gist.
Akudo.
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? What is it?
Akudo, who added excess salt to my soup? Akudo, I'm talking to you.
Akubeke.
Who added excess salt to my soup? Akudo, you see both of you. I pity the man that will marry both of you. Because both of you are cursed. The man that will marry both of you will never know peace. The curse I have placed on you will follow you to your husband's house. You will never have a happy home in your life. So I've said it, so shall it be.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Back to sender.
Back to sender. They will have peace. I reject it in the name of Jesus. Amen. So far, I am the one that gave birth to them. And they suck this my breast. Nothing will happen to them. Amen. They will marry peacefully. Amen. They will marry good man, rich man. Amen. They will be happy in their home. Nothing will happen to them. Amen. You see all this your cause. You see all this cause. Back to you. Back to sender. Nothing will happen to me.
Back to sender.
You the children I suffered for. Treat me with evil and punishment in my own house. Shall not be well with you children on AK.
I reject it.
Back to sender.
I reject it. Back to sender.
I reject it.
I am the head of this family. I am the God of this family. You children treat me with evil after all the suffering I've suffered. Drive night bus from Onitsha to Lagos. You treat me with pains, cause me pains. It shall not be well with you children. Oneke. It shall not be well with you children. Onorie. It shall not be well with you children on Afo. And it shall not be well with you children on Nkwo. As I have said it, so shall it be.
Back to sender.
No, remove your trouser now. It is hunger that is speaking.
Akubeke. Your sister was telling me something.
The voice of a hungry man.
Akubeke, your sister was telling me something.
Mana, we are good. Did you empty the whole of Mama's salt inside the food?
Hey! Akubeke! Akubeke!
It's bad. You know what I can't
do? Come. Akubeke.
Mama.
So you're the one that did it.
I'm the one that did it now. I did it.
Mama.
As you don't know your children again.
You want him to eat that food in peace.
Hey. He will eat it in pieces. In pieces. But that serves him right. Yes. Now. That serves him right.
Whiskey, baby.
Hey.
Baby, na kole.
Child, this my children.
This one enter.
Whoa.
Hey.
He has not cheated.
Hey, never cheat on me. He never cheat on
Papa, please forgive me, my sister. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa. Papa, please. Forgive us. We are sorry. Papa, please.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
My husband, I told you I will visit my parents' grave today. I'm just coming back from my father's house.
Okay, I am looking for the complimentary card that Chioma gave to me. Where is it? Are you with it?
Who is Chioma?
What do you mean, who is Chioma? You don't know Chioma?
I don't know Chioma.
She gave me a complimentary card. Where is it? I put it in my pocket.
Complimentary card? I did not see any card now. If I see any card, I would have given it to you now. ODIMGBE. I didn't see any card.
Then where's the card? It's just you and I in this house. It was in my pocket. I was just sleeping here. Where's the complimentary card?
How will I know? Do I know? Eh? Search yourself now. Check yourself very well. Or maybe you use left hand and dropped it somewhere and you couldn't remember or something.
Do I look like I'm stupid? So you think I don't know where I kept my card?
Very well. I don't know. I did not see any card. If I've seen any card, I would have given it to you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are they using it to cook?
Well, she had business for me. Yes, that's why she gave me the card. I'm supposed to call her.
Oh, business? I thought they said they don't need your supply anymore.
Yes, but I mean, look, you know what? Just forget about it. It's fine. Forget about it.
I did not see any card though. My husband, if I have seen any card, I would have given it to you. Eh?
Are you sure you don't mistakenly put it in your pocket? Because I didn't find.
Yeah. Oh, do I have pockets in this dress I'm wearing? I did not see anything. Eh?
So wait, the card just went missing in this house.
Oh, maybe
when it's just you and I?
Check very well now. I said you should check very well. Check your pocket. Check everywhere. Check around you if the card is somewhere. Eh? Babe, I did not see anything, no. I did not see it, though. I did not see any card, though. Look him. I did not see anything. Card or so card. Wait. I did not see any card. I did not see any card.
Jesus Christ. Oga Obinna, that money is much.
It's too much, that's it.
Hey.
But even if it's 100,000 naira, they say they will not treat her until I bring money. And they say she has few days to leave.
God forbid. Oga Obinna, I don't have anything with me right now. But don't worry. Whatever I can come up with, I will let you know.
Even if it's to sell anything for my sake, I will pay back. Please.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to Somto. I have 1 or 2 friends I can talk to. Just drop me your account detail. I will send it to you, whatever I come up with.
Okay, I'll drop it right away. Now.
Obinna, don't worry too much. Don't worry, nothing will happen to Somto. Okay?
Thank you. We're going inside. We're going back.
Okay. Just take care. Hey. How the mighty has fallen. Don't worry. God will bring you back to your place of honor. Oh, what's all this one now? Katoka Obinna walking around looking for just 300,000.
So like I'm saying, just agree to sleep with me and I will give you the money. Huh? It's not just 300,000 naira. I will give you the money.
You don't even understand. It's not about the... Oh, please don't do this now. Eh? I just told you my daughter is lying helpless in the hospital. You're telling me to go to hotel to sleep with you? Eh? Why are you doing this thing now? There's no amount of romance that will make my dick stand with my daughter lying helpless in the hospital. Please help me, please. I'm not asking you to dash me. Just borrow me. I will pay you back.
This whole thing is all about give and take. Okay? Just agree with what I told you. And you will get the money. I will even double it for you.
Nah, you're surprised. Are you not an elder in church? Are you not an usher in church? That you're telling a helpless man to sleep with you before you... Where's your conscience? Are we not members in church?
If you take it easy, go and get the money now. No, go and get the money. For God, I'm a widow and I need a touch of a man. If you can't give me what I want, you get the hell out.
Please don't do this thing. Don't do this thing. My God, you're so unbelievable. You're doing this thing to me. It's me, oh. It's all been now. Remember when I used to supply you goods in China? When I send you goods on credit? Even if I check whether you're still owing me and you're telling me that I will sleep with you before you help my sick daughter.
See, Obinna, no amount of tears will make me change my mind. If you can't do what I ask you to do, suit yourself.
Oh my God, why are you doing this now? Please, please, please.
Obim, how did it go? Talk to me, how did it go, please?
I can succeed. All my friends are not picking my calls. I even called Chinedu. I called him severally, he didn't take his calls. This is someone I sent to Canada with my hard-earned money. Now I need him, he's nowhere to be found. I don't know why life is so unfair. I don't know what is going on. Just look at my daughter. I don't know what else to do.
Are you saying that our child is going to die?
Oh, God will not allow it to happen. Nothing will happen to her.
The doctor said she has just 48 hours to live.
I know. I'm coming.
Oh, babe, what are we going to do?
Wait.
Where are you going to?
I'm coming.
You will not die. You will not.
Life is not made of me.
I am your mother. You will not die.
You don't have to worry, okay? She'll be fine, okay? Just take it easy, please.
Please, can I make use of your phone? I need to make a call.
Relax now. Huh? Relax. Did I not say I will give you the money?
Engineer, I cannot relax now. My husband is waiting for me. Besides, he didn't even know when I left.
No. Don't tell me about your husband again. Did I not say that I will give you $500,000 naira? Huh? So you want me to just give you the money completely like that without enjoying myself? No, who does that? Huh?
Hey.
Who does that? Please, don't make me to change my mind.
Hey, Mr. Vasi, we've done 3 rounds already. My legs are shaking, my legs are hurting. Please now, I've tried. You know I've tried.
Yes. I really need to enjoy myself.
Hey.
all this your complaint? Huh? You are delaying yourself. Who would have done it? Come on, let's do what we want to do.
Please now, have mercy on me, please.
You are the one delaying, no. ₦500,000. You are the one delaying it.
Hospital.
₦500,000. You are the one delaying it.
Wait, now let me take the clothes off. What are we to do again now? I've given you all the styles. I've done everything you asked me to do. Please now, let me rush to the hospital.
Just, let's do this. That's all.
Okay, Mom. What kind of problem is this? Hey. Wait, now let me remove this clothes. Easy.
Don't tell me that. Let me enjoy myself.
Junior, but my legs cannot even move again.
Don't worry. Don't. Come on. That's a check. A check of 500,000 naira.
Engineer.
Yes.
Why check? You were supposed to give me the cash now.
Are you not the one that said they stole the cash I gave you the other time? Huh? So I don't want you to come back begging. Okay? That is why I am giving you this check. So go and save the life of your daughter. Okay? Go and save the life of your daughter first.
Junior, so I should go and...
Just go to the bank. First thing tomorrow morning, my signature, everything that the bank need is on the check. Just go.
Is it real check?
I said go to the bank. Will I be lying to you? Go to the bank, okay?
Okay.
Yes, go and save the life of your daughter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you are welcome. So you can go. Are you living like that? No kiss, no hug?
Let me just go.
Where did you go to?
I was outside. I've been around the hospital.
Being around the hospital, doing what?
I was just overwhelmed, so I thought about giving myself some space to go pray to God so that He can help us with our situation.
That's very thoughtful of you. At least, what's that strong cologne I'm perceiving? I'm perceiving one strong cologne.
You know, as I was outside communing with God, I met with the pediatric doctor. He was encouraging me to be steadfast in prayer. So I guess his perfume kind of stick to my clothes. Maybe that's what you're perceiving.
It's okay. I was looking for you to tell you that Amara sent me 100,000.
Amara?
Yeah. Jude's younger sister.
Oh, wow, she did?
Yeah, she did. Yeah. You know, wonders shall never end. I went to Madame Julie to assist me. I pleaded with her to borrow me 1 million. She said she doesn't have. So I pleaded with her, even 500,000 is fine. But I need to save my daughter's life. Lo and behold, Madame Julie told me to my face that the only way she will agree to give me the money is if I sleep with her. I was shocked. I said, what? He said, yes, that I must sleep with her before she will release that kind of
amount of money. And I told her I cannot do it. Because I believe, I have faith that our daughter will be fine. Our daughter will be fine. I can't go to cheat all because of this situation that God is already handling. Today my spirit is high. I believe that all these things, all of it will pass one day. Come, you look tense. Is everything all right?
I'm fine. I'm just tired of the whole situation.
It's okay. It's like that everywhere. Oh, it's okay.
Babe, so you didn't do it? Gosh, I have cheated on my marriage because of circumstances. Something I vowed never to do in my whole life. Something my late mother did and destroyed her life. Something my father hated so much. Lord, please have mercy on me. Father, forgive me. I only wanted to save the life of my only child. Please. Obinna doesn't deserve this. I know he doesn't. Lord, forgive me. Forgive me, please. I pray you understand. I pray you understand me. Have mercy, oh Lord. Understand my condition, please.
Okay. You what?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Why are you crying?
Nothing. I'm just overwhelmed with the whole situation.
She'll be fine. She'll be fine. I prayed for her. If I do stuff, I believe she'll be fine. It's okay, stop crying, okay? Come on, lie down here.
You can stay.
Sleep. Just come.
I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too. I love you. Go and lie down. Go and lie down. Come here, okay?
What is your problem? Huh? Why are you disturbing my sleep?
Babe, I want to make love. It's been a while we made love. I need you.
Wait. You want to make love? In this condition? In this state of mind? In poverty, you want to make love? Look, don't even stress me. Don't stress me.
Are you seeing Chioma now?
What is the meaning of that?
You're behaving strange. Babe, see, we need to be one. We need a child in our life. You're not touching me. I feel hurt and uncertain about it.
Well, you can feel whatever you want to feel. You know me too well, I would never cheat on my wife. Look, making love doesn't give me money. Will it bring back the company? Don't disturb me, please. I beg you. Unless I will leave this room.
But I need you.
What is your problem? Okay, fine.
Babe.
Where is that stupid man? That stupid man that got his money. Engineer Basti. Where is that he goes? Come out.
What happened?
Where's Engineer Basti?
Madam, Oga don't travel.
Travel.
Yes, so.
To where?
He don't travel go Dubai with his family. Today, he don't come out.
Say he travel go where?
Dubai now. Is anything the problem? Madam,
No.
you sure? The man they owe you. Because I know say you and your husband know they work here again. So, I want to know.
She said he went to Dubai.
This morning now.
Said he went to Dubai. Abroad. Hey!
Temptation, every day so good. My left and right, yo, because of money. Temptation, every day so good. I can't get more because of money. And when comes to boring, for me to be a sinner to survive.
Hey, young woman. I didn't see you today. You and your husband, you're not on my side. What's the problem? You're crying. Why are you crying? What's the problem? How about your husband?
He's in the hospital.
What? Hospital? What happened to him?
Our daughter is very sick. She's been diagnosed of lungs issues and the doctor said we should deposit 300,000. We don't have the money. Our daughter has just 48 hours to live. I don't know where to get the money from. We don't even know. Nobody wants to help us.
I mean, oh shit, that is callous. Human life is involved here and all the doctors could say is 300,000. Come on, come into the car. Hop in. Come in, don't worry. Come in, I won't bite you. Said her classmates called her to come to her shop to see if she can give her something. So that's where she wants to.
It's all right. Did you see a doctor? I mean, did they accept the money I sent to you?
These people, they didn't. So said the money must be complete before they commence treatment. My only hope now is my wife. I just hope she comes back with something.
It's okay. Well, I spoke with one of my friends that works with a microfinance bank, and she assisted me with 200,000 naira. So, this is money. Though it's a loan, but I'll pay her back later. Don't worry about that, please.
Hi, Amara.
Come on. Just take.
Amara, God bless.
No, please don't do this. You've done more than this for me before. Please, Ogabina, get up, please. Get up. Please, just go and see the doctor. Be fast. At least we have enough money now. Just go. I'll stay with her. Please. This life no balance. Look at Ogabina. Abroad traveler. A man that used to be in China today, tomorrow he will be in London. He could not afford 300,000 naira to pay for his daughter's hospital bill. What kind of life is this? A man that once paid for my school fees while I was in university and even paid for my accommodation. Oh, Ogabina, this thing is supposed to happen to you now. I will fast and I will pray. You must get back to who you used to be. What is this? A beautiful soul.
Temptation, every day so good. My left and right, yo, because of money. Temptation, every day so good. I can't get
Sir, you've been staring at me since we got here, but you haven't said a word to me.
Why did you cheat?
Sir?
You see, life is very tricky. Sometimes life can throw at us temptations, situations that if you are not careful, you are caught in the web of this trajectory. And you miss it. You are married to a very wealthy man. You had everything in the past. You had wealth. You had influence. You were the envy of everyone. But because life happened to him, all you could do was to cheat on him by sleeping with the man just because of money.
So how did you know? How did you know all of this? Please don't tell my husband. I beg you, do not tell him his condition, sir. Please, it wasn't intentional. I'm a mother and I can't watch my child die. Please. Sir, please. It wasn't intentional. I was just confused. I was devastated. I didn't know what to do. Please. Please, no mother would want to see her child die. Please. Please, sir. Please, I beg you. Don't tell my husband. Please.
It's okay. Stand up. Get up. Don't worry. I won't tell him anything. Not even a word.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. That isn't why I brought you here. I brought you here for a different thing altogether. I want to see you and your husband. I want to have a word with you. Don't you want to be wealthy again?
Yes, of course. I want us to be wealthy again.
I will help you. And make sure you go back to your old self, to your life of affluence and influence. But there's a sacrifice you must pay. And it's a choice.
I'm sorry, sir, but I don't understand.
Don't you want to be wedding again?
Yes, I want my husband and I to be wealthy again.
Fine. Don't worry. I will help you. I want you to bring your husband to me. I want to have a word with both of you. I want us to have dinner together this evening. You can go now. I see they're operating on your daughter already. I see her in the theater, in the surgery ward. Don't worry, you can go. Just come with your husband later on in the day.
Temptation, every day.
You can go.
My life done right here because of money. Temptation, every day so good. I can't get more because of money. I know I'm much comes to boring. I know I'm much for me to be a sinner.
Desperate woman. She can do anything just to have money.
My baby, my baby. My baby now. Strongy, strongy. Hey! Baby. Hey! Baby, thank you so much. Thank you for quenching my hunger with your sweet word.
You were pouring.
Baby, I really enjoyed it. My body is so calm right now. Baby, you're very sweet. In our top pieces. Hi, you will sugar.
Well, I am glad that you enjoyed my rod.
Your rod.
I am happy I've done my duty as a man.
Baby, thank you.
You know, because, I mean, why would you even think I'll cheat on you with Chioma? Eh? I'm not that kind of person now.
Baby, forget about that. Yes, I know I was thinking about that, but not anymore. Not now that you have quenched my thirst. In our top pieces.
Wait. I mean, why would you even think that I would cheat on you with Chioma? Why?
Baby, can you just stop? Okay, fine, forgive me. Forgive me for thinking that you were flirting with Chioma. Not anymore. My baby, you just quenched the fire burning inside of me. Hey, baby, now top yourself. Baby, you're too sweet, baby. Hey, baby, thank you so much. I love you. You are the best. Baby, you took me to Cloud 9 today. Hey, I'm not
You know I love you.
I love you too, you know that.
Tell me the truth. Did you take that complimentary card that Chioma gave to me? I mean, just tell me.
Babe, stop now. Eh? Stop. You have asked me these things countless times. I told you that I did not see any card. Why are you still asking me? Wait, are you trying to suspect me that I took the card or what?
But I mean, is it like the card just flew out of my pocket? I just keep wondering. Eh? I mean, this is business.
Babe, can you just stop this complimentary card issue of a thing? Can you just stop? Eh? Do you want to spoil our sweet moment? My love, don't spoil our mood. Oh, Dogo Jim. My sweet man. Baby, not top pieces. Baby, you're so sweet. I love the fact that you took me to Cloud 9. I want you to take me to Cloud 9 again. I want to...
No. Look. We've done this 3 times. Eh? Let me rest.
Small. You baby wants more. You want more.
Go and rest.
What do you mean I should go and rest? Baby, I don't want to rest. Baby, come and take me to Cloud 9. Baby,
go and rest.
Aloy, I am not drunk. All I want from you now is just for you to listen to me. Can you listen to me?
Offer. Speak. I'm with you.
I can swear with my grandmother's pants that his wife took that card. There is nothing on earth that you will tell me that woman did not take that card.
You don't even need to swear. I am now. She took it.
But I asked her and she said...
There is nothing for you to bought. No, there is nothing for you to bought. It is obvious that woman took your card and that is it. She doesn't mean well for you. Wait, Aloy, are you thinking what I'm thinking? With the look of things, it's not like this guy because he's affecting him again. No, it's like he's now being hypnotized. Are you being controlled? No, because it's like the wife is somewhere telling Nnamdi, don't say anything, do as I say, and you are doing it. Are you under a curse?
But Nnamdi, calm down. We are not fighting. Okay, look at it this way. A lady came to your house, and after seeing you, she gave you a complimentary card. When your wife was inside the room, then when you now want to call the lady, you can no longer see the card. Brother, how now?
No, explain it.
Check any and how now?
Explain it.
She took it. And I got in a fisi baka.
Nnamdi, Aloy and I are not here to spoil your marriage. We are not here to spoil the marriage. But this lady does not want you to progress, and that is it. I mean, what do you expect from a woman who was caused by her own father? We're all in this village now. We witness this now. Were you not there? That is your village now. Yes. All we are saying is this. Your wife took that card. Period. And she doesn't want you to anything good to come out of Nazareth. You are not in Nazareth. Nothing good will come out of you. That is how she has made it. Don't look at me. I'm not the one that said it. She said it. Nothing good is coming out of you. Yes. To crown it all, to as it is now, you need to open your eye. Open your eye because she took that card. And stop coming here to tell us, but she. Who told you she? You want to trust a woman? Delilah.
Period. Take it or leave it. Oji.
Don't give me that sober reflection. I don't like it. You're happy calling your wife's name Akudo. Her name is Jezebel in capital letter. Jezebel. How will you explain the fact that
don't do now. What's the soap now, guy?
You are asking me what is it? All I'm expecting you now to do, Nnamdi, behave like a man that you are. Go home, call her. Akudo, she comes out, she thinks you want to hug her. You slap her, babe. Slap her again, babe. She uses her hand and just give you the card. You won't ask her where is the card. Since the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven suffered violence. It was just the men of the violence that took it by force. Slap her, she'll bring her the card. Simple.
If possible, send her back to her father's house.
My wife is caused by her late father, but I thought the father had forgiven her and her elder sister. No. I can't place my stupidness upon her. She's not the cause of what is happening to me. She is not. I don't believe that. I understand I made the wrong decision. She warned me about it. But I was so stubborn that her words did not enter my ears. No. I believe I caused everything. It is not and never her fault. But about this card is of four and Aloy saying the truth, I have swept the rooms, even the compound by myself. God help me, please. Please, God, this can't be real.
Obim, he really wants us to come. He wants to help us, please.
You mean Chifiroko? The one that owns the uncompleted building where we live?
Yes. Let's go, please. You never can tell. God might use him to bless us.
So how did you meet him?
On my way coming back from seeing that my friend I told you about, you know, she refused to help me. She kept on doing me like this. So I left her place. Coming back, I saw Chief Iroko. And he asked about you. That's how we started talking, and he said he's willing to help you get back on your feet again. That we should come see him at his place this evening. He really wants to help you, Obim. He's particular about helping you.
So who's going to stay with our daughter?
Obim, you will call Amara now. Call her, she will come and stay with our daughter. We are not spending the night there, it's just dinner. We'll go there, discuss, sharp, we'll come back.
Wait, are you sure this man is not a ritualist? Because why is he very skeptical? I don't know.
Obim, relax now. Be calming down. Why you've not even started, you've already started being negative. This is not the mind to make money.
Negative. I just want to clear my mind. Do you understand? I just want to clear my mind.
There's nothing like that, Obim. Let's just go first. He might give you a contract or something.
You call Amara.
So we are going.
Just call her.
We are going, Abi. Thank you. Let's just go. There's nothing God cannot do.
Uzo!
What's the meaning?
Uzo, is this you? Hey! Uzo!
Aku!
Oh my goodness!
Jesus!
Uzo! Hey!
What happened? Why are you like this? I mean, where's your car? I mean, a few months ago I saw you and your husband in Lagos, at the bar beach precisely. You were glowing, you looked pretty okay. What happened?
Uzo, it's a long story. It's a long story. Life happens. Uzo, when did you return?
Just yesterday, okay? I'm building my house. Yeah, there's this project I'm working on.
You're building your house?
Yeah, so I do come back once in a while to supervise it.
Hey!
What happened?
Uzo!
How is Oga now? Hope he's fine.
Oga is fine, oh. He's fine. We are fine, oh. We are fine. Look at me now, eh? Once a millionaire's wife. Look at my life. Oh.
This is unacceptable.
What will I do now? Life happens.
This is my card, okay? Call me. Alright? Please, call me. I'm heading somewhere important right now. Please.
Uzo.
Yes.
Uzo.
Aku.
Hey, Uzo, you're looking good, oh.
Aku.
You're really looking good, oh.
Feels so good to see you again.
Yes.
Please do well to call me. Let's talk, okay?
I'll definitely call you,
Good.
Uzo.
Good.
Hey, Uzo, you're building a house. It's nice to see you again, oh.
I will see you, okay?
Uzo.
I'm sorry about your story, but I promise I will be here for you. I'm sorry.
I don't know why my heart is panting. I think I need you. I think I need someone who will take away my pain. Who will make me feel like a woman.
I promise I'll be here for you every step of the way. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, why is this woman not taking her calls? Eh? What is her problem? What is going on?
Let me take you home now. Why do you want me to drop you here?
Oh, no. You can't stop me here.
Why?
I don't want people to start seeing me coming down from your car. You know how the villagers can gossip. I beg, please.
I think I understand you.
I'm okay here. I'm fine.
I understand you. Just
Thanks for your time.
It's fine. Give me a minute.
Okay.
I just sent something to your account, okay? Please do me this favor. Use this money, get a good cream, take very good care of yourself. I want you to look good, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Okay, I have to go now, okay? Alright, take care.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Because of money, she's desperate, she's wicked, she's mean.
It's money rituals. Young man, you see, you're vibrant, hardworking. You need to be rich. I want to help you. I want to take you to where you were when you had influence and affluence. I want to take you to the stage where you had money, where you had wealth, where you were the envy of your friends. But there's an ultimate price you pay for this.
Sir, the thing is, I appreciate the fact that you want to help us. But this ritual you just talked about now is completely off for us. Yes, in as much as I want to bounce back, but not through ritual. I can't partake in anything that I will be told to sacrifice my wife or sacrifice my daughter.
God forbid, it's not me.
That.
Young man, there's no blood involved here. No blood. No blood.
No blood shedding.
No blood.
So what is now the...
When you get home, you made up your mind, you've thought over it. I will take you to my temple. There, I'll tell you the ultimate price you pay.
But no killing at all.
No killing.
Thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Babe, I want us to have a serious conversation. Good thing our child survived the surgery. Everything was a success.
Bless God.
We give glory to God. So what next? What next? Are we going to continue living in this unsafe place with our child? What is the way forward? You're a man, you have to think. Think and act fast for your family. What is the way forward? Thank God a man is offering to help us. A man is offering to help us. He's not asking us to kill anybody or do anything blood shedding. Nothing like that. So why don't we chest it?
No, my love. The thing is, it's more scary because we don't even know what the task is all about. We don't know. What if the task has to do with maybe me sleeping with a mad woman every day of my life, or maybe sleeping with an animal? It could be something deadlier.
I don't care. You will do it.
You don't care me sleeping with a mad woman every day?
I do not care as long as it will take us from this nonsense place. Come on.
Are you being serious now?
Yes, I am being serious. I do not care. Look at me. Every day I carry bags of cement and sand. A woman like me. Not our child. Sleeping in this very, very uncomfortable place.
I understand that you're frustrated, but you have to think.
I am more than frustrated. I have had it up to here.
What if the tax is all about maybe me avoiding you for the rest of my life, not coming close to you? You know, it could be something.
I do not care. I do not care.
care. You're not killing anybody, right? I don't care. Just go ahead and do it. Be a man.
Babe, look, you're sounding like a total stranger right now.
People do worse things. Yes, people do worse things to make money. For you to make money, you need to have the mind. You need to have the mind of making money.
Are you saying this to me?
I am telling you, if you don't do it, if you do not do it, I will be forced to leave this marriage, and I'm serious about it. That thing that you're scared of, you will see it. Try me.
My love, you are awake.
Where's my daddy?
Your daddy stepped out with your mom, but don't worry, they will soon be back. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling strong. When are they going to come back?
I think your daddy and your mom should be on their way back now. They went to the house to get 1 or 2 things for you.
Who are you? I don't know you too well, but I know you're a nice person.
Thank you so much for the compliment. Well, my name is Amara. I am a friend to your daddy and also your friend.
Nice to meet you, Amara.
Nice to meet you too, Sam. Sorry. I'm so happy you're awake. What a relief.
Thank you.
Do you want to eat anything? I can get it for you.
Oh, thank you.
I swear to God, baby, please. I was in my father's house. I slept off when you were calling me. Try and understand me, please.
Well, I have told you to stand up. Why are you trying to emotionally blackmail me? Why?
Because you're angry that I didn't pick your calls. I'm so sorry about it. I was clearing the grass around my parents' grave. Please. I slept off there. Try and understand me.
I have heard you. Stand up.
Stand up now.
Baby, you shouted at me. Eh?
Oh yeah, I will not shout at you again, yeah? Stand up.
Oh, you just shouted at me now.
Sorry now. Stand up now. Why are you doing this?
You know I don't like it when you shout at me. I don't like it. And you're even still shouting on top of your voice.
Sorry. My love, stand up, okay? I won't shout at you again. Stand up. You know I love you. Stand up.
Thank you, my love.
Yeah, see you.
My love, I'm so sorry that I didn't take your calls. I slept off. I'm not lying to you.
No, maybe next time you should try and return the calls immediately you see it, okay?
I will. I'm sorry. I love you too.
Alright, I'm sorry. Yeah, I promise it won't happen again, okay? I really am sorry. Okay. So am I gonna see you tomorrow? Alright, next tomorrow then. Hey, I'm sorry, okay? I'll see you next tomorrow. Have a good night rest. Take care. Omo, this life no balance. Women, just have money. Just have money and you will get any woman you want.
Just look at Akudo. The same girl that insulted me and called me names. Insulted me, called me names, embarrassed me simply because she was dating a rich guy that later married her. I can't believe I finally made out with her. Women are scum.
It didn't concern me. Oh.
Who was that? Who were you talking to?
That was my sister. Yeah, we're having a conversation, so I didn't want our conversation to wake you up. I had to go to the living room to answer it.
It's been a long time I heard from your sister and her husband. How are they?
They are fine. Yes, she asked her for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she sent her regards to you.
It is well.
Yeah.
It's good. I see you.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Are you ready to be wedded again?
Yes.
Okay. Now that you are here, there is no going back. Once you are here, you have crossed the Rubicon. You must choose from these birds. Whatever you pick will be the sacrifice that you must pay for your wealth to flow and continue to flow to eternity. Pick from these very birds.
Madness.
Madness.
Yes, madness. For your wealth to come and continue to flow for eternity, one of you must run mad. And that is the sacrifice you have to pay for your wealth.
I said this thing. Are you saying it? I said this thing.
Baby, I didn't know it would turn
What do you mean I didn't know? I told... Sir, please, it's a mistake that we came here in the first place. Please, we cannot...
That is the rule, young man. You are here now, you cannot go back.
Sir, please, I'm begging you with everything you hold so there. We've not really gone far. Even if we go mad now, how do we enjoy the money? Please, let's just go and we'll think about it and come back.
Young man, you cannot play with the Zaga zone. The fire that burns upon the water here. You can't go back.
Sir, we just came here. It's not even up to 5 minutes we came. And we saw what you said we should. I cannot do it. My wife cannot do it. We've not gone any far. So it's too early for us to go. Please, thanks for having us.
Sir, let's just go and think about it.
Young man, you will die if you decide to go back. One of you must run mad.
Have you seen what your desperation has led us to?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Stop telling me sorry. So what do we do? We can't even go back. What do we do?
Sir, Biko, have mercy, please, sir. Sir, have mercy. Okay, let's pick another one. We'll pick something else.
Young man, there is no time. I will count 1 to 3. 1.
Sir, please. Is there
2?
I cannot go mad now. I can't go mad. Your wife can.
I will come forward, sir.
I'll make my choice. Young man, are you sure of this decision?
Sir, left for me. I don't want to take any decision. I just want to go. But since you said we are going to die or my wife will run mad, I cannot be alive and watch her run mad. What do I do?
And you, young woman, make sure you protect and guard him, because he has paid the ultimate sacrifice for your wealth to come.
I will protect you. I will take care of you. Trust me, I will take good care of you. I will stand by you through thick and thin. I will never leave you. I promise you, baby. I promise.
A woman, remember you promised to take care of me.
Yes, I will take
Go to the next room on the left, and there you will get all you ever desired in life.
Baby, are you okay?
No, enough is enough. I want to see my father. I want to see him.
Have you lost it? Are you insane?
Mom, you have all the money in the world, but you can't treat my father. You allow my father to eat from the refuse. What do your friends say about my father? Eh?
Somtochukwu, are you mad? Now get inside, now!
Mom, bring back my father, else I will leave this house for good.
What the hell? Somtochukwu! Somtochukwu! Will you stop there, young woman? Have you lost it? Are you mad? The next time you speak to me in such disgusting manner about your father again, I will deal with you. Have you lost it? Your father is a mad man. He is mad. A madman that has no cure.
But he's your husband and also my father.
Listen, if you're tired of him becoming your mother, you better spill it. So I'll go dump you in the dustbin where your father is, so you go feed on maggot with him.
What?
Rubbish.
Mom!
Why are you like this? Oh, mommy, why? She can do anything because of mommy. She's desperate. She's wicked. She's mean. Oh, she has no conscience. This lady.
Why is he still alive?
We have tried killing him several times, but he continues to overpower us. Even bullet does not penetrate him.
Have this. Get him poisoning food, make sure you poison it. Do you hear me?
Yes, boss.
Make sure you poison the food. Get the deadliest of poison you can ever find. Am I understood?
Yes, boss.
I'm counting on you. Why does he keep embarrassing me? Why? A woman of my class? Dealing with a madman? I won't allow that. Never! He has to die! He must die! He has to die.
She wants to kill the finger that fed.
Oh my God.
Babe, I'd like to send you something for your transport, okay?
What are you trying to do? Babe, don't do that, okay? I have enough.
I know, but at least to fuel your car.
I don't want your money. I have enough already. I am swimming in money. My sister is funding my accounts every now and then. So you see, I have enough.
I see.
Oh, yes.
So babe, when are you giving me the money I asked for?
Oh, the 10 million naira?
Yes.
That'll be next week. Okay?
Babe, please, I am begging you. I really need to roof my house. Please. I'm counting on you.
Trust me, okay? I'll give you the money. I'll keep to my words, okay?
I trust you.
Trust me. Oh my goodness. Why is this stupid man calling me? Eh? Why is this madman calling me? What is it?
Your husband?
Who else? I'm not going to pick. You just want to spoil my sweet mood.
Why not pick it and hear him out?
No, I don't want him to spoil our mood, okay?
Okay.
Baby.
Yeah.
You know you didn't do well today.
I guess I had a lot of things on my mind.
Promise you're going to see tomorrow.
Most definitely.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to take me to girl 9?
I will definitely do better than today.
You do well in bed tomorrow, okay?
Sure. I will. I will.
Where are you coming from? Eh?
Oga, what is your problem? Why are you calling me as if I was missing? Do I owe you anything? Eh? Why are you calling me like that? What is your problem? Do you want me to have an accident or what? Eh?
Akodo, ever since your sister bought this car for you, you have turned into something else. You're nowhere to be found in the house, in the shop. Even when I went to your shop, you were not there. Where did you go to?
Now listen to me, you pathetic, frustrated old husband. How dare you? How dare you come to my shop to make hell of noise? And let me warn you, let today be the first and last you will ever come to my shop to make hell of noise or to police me around. If you ever do that, you will not like my reaction. You will not like what I am going to do to you. Look at this idiot, this imbecile I'm managing as a husband. Eh? Look at this cockroach. Are you okay? Bro, is something wrong with you upstairs? Eh? If you ever try this nonsense that you just did today, you will not like my reaction. You will not like it.
Of what?
No, what will I do with you in this house? What will I do with you? You fool!
Of what? Can you hear her? Of what? Can you hear the wife that I married? Ha! I swear! You see this car? You are returning this car to me. This car! You're returning this car to me. I swear to God. I swear to God you will.
I will do no such thing. I dare you. I dare you to touch that car again. If you don't sleep in a police station for 1 week, call me a bastard. Nonsense, rubbish, stupid, old fool. Frustrated, depressed idiots. Eh? Are you okay? Should I this thing with me next time? You will not like my reaction. Fool. Look at this pig, Ejibida. Can you imagine?
Makoto, come back to your husband. Your husband is calling you. Ofo, did you see what just happened?
Nnamdi, please. This is a family matter. Don't get me involved. After all, we warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Don't get me involved. Oh. As a matter of fact, this environment is becoming so hot for me to stay. Please, just stay and enjoy your marriage. Don't get me involved. I have other things to attend to. Please, now it's now uncomfortable. I don't like it. Family issue. Settle it.
Akudo.